Hey guys, okay, so right now we kind of have a problem and kind of don't. I got a mini fridge. I put it where I would film, which is right next to my bed on my nightstand thing. And so I don't know how I'm gonna film anymore because I don't have anywhere to set up where I film. So I will have to make it work. But anyway, that is not the point of this video at all. I ordered a I love you necklace in 100 different languages, stupid thing. I don't know what it is. So we're going to go to the mailbox right now and just like get that and just like check it out. So okay, so let's just hope we don't see one of my neighbors because that's going to be awkward. See, if I do, well then I'm just going to like stop the video because it's gonna be awkward if I see them. I don't know if you can hear me right now. Oh, I see a cat. Do you see that cat? Because I see a cat. Kitty. All right, let's see this. Okay, yeah, there's no one there. Thank God. Oh shoot, someone's running. Hold on. All right, let's see this. I just locked it. Well, I just got it, and it's here. Please no one come by, please no one come by, please no one come by. It's gonna be so awkward if someone just sees me holding up my phone. Right? Christmas photo shoot. That's where I took it last year. Okay, good, there's no one there. Thank God. Love that. Oh. Where's the kitty? Do you see that cat? Because I see a cat. And I love cats. Well, I'm allergic to cats, but I still love them. Because they're cute. Look at my Vans. And my thrifted $4.99 Nike pants. So love that for us. Alright, hold on. I'm about to go back in my house. So, yeah. Okay, so I found a way to film. I think it's on top of my mini fridge. Okay, that would annoy me. Here it is, right here. Yeah, so love that, don't we? Yeah, so I'm not gonna show you my address because you one stalker out there is gonna try to catch me, so. Why is it gold? I asked for silver. And it's rose gold too. Which I'm not that mad about, but here it is. And this thing was only like $3. Like if you buy it from like a Snapchat account, it's like $30. And I'm over here like, it's called eBay. And look, it's right here. Can I just like look in it? Or like what? No for me. Okay. Love that so much. Well, okay. Here's my list. I this because I don't do it. No, it's not. I don't want to. They have 12%. because I'm 13 school. And I didn't want one because maybe long term, because I have 13 each now, right? So I decided to love my school. And this is the decision. Because I can know to love myself now. Because I have 100 different ways of telling myself that I should love myself. But do I still? No. But, like, you know, who cares, right? Like, who cares if you love yourself? No one. Because nowadays, it's all about love this, love that. And I'm like, negative, no. So I'm starting to get negative from this because I can't get this stupid clasp on. Can you just work? Thanks. I got it. Boom. Boom. Carl? Carl? What? Come here really quick. Okay. I'm filming. Come here. Oh, hurry up. Come over here. Say hi. Anyway.
Hi.
So this is a necklace, right?
It's kind of ugly.
I know. Are you sure about that?
I don't know.
Okay. I want you to look.
Actually, I'm kind of sure.
Look into that.
Are these one of those necklaces where you can see inside?
Yeah, look inside of it.
Is it going to blind me?
No.
I can't see.
You have to, wrong way. You have to look inside the thick part.
Oh, okay.
No, go closer. It says I love you in 100 different languages.
You bought that. I saw that somewhere. Show Mom. I'll show Mom. I'll show Mom.
No, wait. Give me it.
Please.
Yeah, this is making me annoyed all of a sudden. I want to slowly sink in a hole. That's what I do on my Instagram a lot. I just go, or my Snapchat. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to myself. This will be my Christmas gift. See, this is why I need to love myself. Dear Chris. From Haley. And see, that brings my self-esteem down, Haley. And y'all need Jesus. Oh wait, this doesn't say y'all need Jesus. This says I love you. Haley, I have an idea. Why don't we do a fridge tour? Because why not? And I need more things for this video. So here is my fridge. This right here is what I was filming on. The top. I should get like a magnet and stuff and just put some slap. And so here it is. It's 1.7 cubits. I don't know how big that is either, so don't ask me. Here's the inside. So as you can see, I have my ginger ale. I have my Diet Pepsi. This is the one that I've been sipping from. I have my apple juice. I have my Wheel Weezer. Chill. Just chilling. So here it is, right? The fridge, the freezer, where I can just like put things in that I want to. I have, so see, this is this, right? This is iconic. Not really. Why is that? Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to take out my apple juice, and this is what this thing does. Is that upside down? I think that's upside down. But yeah, so you can like put things right there. But you see, I'm too lazy to like lay it down, otherwise it'll like spill everywhere, and no one likes that for us. So, take it out. Put this there, and then like just like put it lopsided or this makes me kind of mad because don't do that. No one likes you. Oh my God. Too much work. Anyway, so we have my Hershey's bar. Well, you need the thumbnail, obviously. My arm hurts from doing this. So yeah, and then I have my ginger ale, and like I have my freezer, and my apple juice, and my Pepsis, and my food. I have 1 bar of chocolate, and yeah. But yeah, so this is my Hisense fridge, and it's pretty chill. So yeah, so this is my Hisense fridge. Where the flip-flop is the light. Like, there's no light in it. Let me show you what I back to the top of my fridge. And I think all fridges should have a light, right? Hold on. I can't do that anymore. It's still fall, but fight me on this if you will. It's not Halloween season or spooky season anymore. So no more harvest pumpkin. You need pine cone trees or something, or like pines, or no. I'll go to Bel Air and then I'll just buy something there later, and just buy one of those instead. But yeah, so basically, that I don't know why I keep getting off topic, but I just do. Like, so see, it's kind of dark. Let me turn off this light. Sorry. I'm back, fortunately. You can see it's like really dark, and like, what if I have so much things that I need to just like see? Like, what if me is hungry in the middle of the night and I'm just like, my vision's all crap and whack, and I just don't know what to do, and I'm just like over here like, what's this? Oh, is that a big John Jarrell can? Because is it? I don't know. So I drink it and I'm like, oh my God, this is not John Jarrell, this is apple juice. But then I'm like all shook because this is John Jarrell and that's apple juice. But then like, what if I think that this is apple juice and that's John Jarrell? So I drink from this, but then I'm shook because I'm John Jarrelling and I'm not drinking the apple juice. Or like, what if I get the soda cans mixed? Like, what if I think, oh, this one's heavier than the other because it's new. But then like I have this one which is already like half drinking, and then like I get confused. Because like, oh, I'm picking it up and I'm spilling it because it's open, and then like it's not heavy, so then it's just like whoosh, and it just goes everywhere all over me, and then I get depressed, so I have to go take a shower, and then I just don't want to do anything else. So that's the problem with not having a light in your fridge. Let's go back to your spot. Did I wake you? What am I even saying anymore? I need to stop filming. All right, bye.